In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cash App at McDonald's. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first way to properly pay and order McDonald's and pay using Cash App is by using your Cash App card. So all that you have to do, if you are eligible for the Cash App card, is to take your physical card with you, and when it's time to pay at the register or inside of the app, just use the Cash App card as the payment method. Anywhere that they accept credit or debit cards as a payment method, you will be able to use the Cash App card to properly finish paying for your order. Like I said, this is the main way and it's the easiest one by far, regardless of whether you are doing this process in store so you have the physical card with you or through the McDonald's app, because you can just use the card information or the credentials. Alternatively, if you want to order in store but you don't have your physical card with you, what you can do is open Cash App on your phone and in there link the Cash App card to a digital wallet. So for example, if you are on Android, you are going to have the option to link it to the Google Wallet, and if you are on an iOS device, you are going to be able to link your Cash App card to an Apple Wallet. By linking the card to one of those digital wallets, if the McDonald's that you are trying to order from accepts Apple Pay or Google Pay as a payment method, you simply have to use those to finish the payment and it is going to go through your Cash App balance. So link the card to one of those digital wallets and see if they accept Apple Pay or Google Pay as the payment method. Alternatively, if you don't have access to a Cash App card at all, there is one last option, but this will only work if the McDonald's that you are at accepts the scan of a QR code as the payment method. So if they have a Cash App QR code somewhere at the register, just scan that by tapping the option from the home screen at the top left corner, and you will be able to bring up your camera to scan the QR code and finish making this payment on McDonald's. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App at McDonald's. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.